Salut ladies, welcome back. Today I am sharing some spring and summer jeans or denim outfit ideas. I know that jeans are very popular, especially these days. So I wanted to give you some outfit inspiration for the spring and summer. I will be styling different jean styles from skinny jeans to mom jeans to straight cut high-waisted jeans and flare jeans. I even have a jean skirt here. So without any further ado, let's get started. I know that some of you will be asking for my sizing. So I am 5'3", 120 pounds. I wear a size 27 in Levi's jeans because I do have a bum and I do have thick thighs. Also, I know some of you will be asking about what I'm wearing. So I am wearing this cute dress from Zara, which should be up in a haul very soon, so I will link the haul for you below if you are interested. I will also link the dress because you can get it now. This cute little headband here is from Aldo. I got this years ago. And for my jewelry, I am wearing this pair of earrings from Ana Luisa. Today's video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa for their Mother's Day sale. I absolutely love Ana Luisa. I have been working with them for a few months now, and some of the things that I love is that the brand is 100% carbon neutral, which means 100% of the carbon emissions related to their product's life cycle are offset. They do not believe in marking up their prices. The prices typically start at $39. They also offer fine jewelry options, so there's something for everyone. Another thing that I love about Ana Luisa is the fact that they make small batches of jewelry to avoid waste. So throughout the video, I will be styling some new jewelry that I received from them. This is their Mama necklace. This is a perfect Mother's Day gift. The last day to order for on-time delivery for Mother's Day is May 5th. This is just so beautiful. I plan to gift this to my sister, who is a new mom, and I can definitely see her wearing this and styling it with different outfits. The next one I got is this necklace here. I absolutely love this. It's very bold. It is one of those pieces that looks amazing with a little black dress, an all black outfit, a pair of black jeans and a black top, a pair of black jeans and a white top. I really love this. How stunning is this? This would look great with this dress that I'm wearing. And then the last piece that I got is a ring. And I thought this ring is great for the summer. And it's also adjustable, so you can kind of adjust it to fit any of your fingers, which I really love. So let's get into the styling portion of the video. I'm going to start out with a basic outfit that is perfect for moms so that I can style the Mama necklace for you. So in this outfit, I will be styling this pair of H&M jeans. These are a stretchy feel kind of jeans. These were super cheap. They were like $10 when I bought them, and I got a size 8 and they fit perfectly. They are super comfortable because of the stretch. I am pairing the look with the Mama necklace, and I added this comfortable v-neck sweater, which is of an ivory color, and then I also added a cardigan over my neck. This double sweater trend has been trending since the fall. I think it's very chic. Also, as an added layer, just in case it gets cold. And I'm pairing the look with a classic pair of sneakers, trainers. The next look that we have is an all white look that I absolutely love. It's giving me the Olivia Pope vibe. I'm wearing white high-waisted flare jeans. These are from Macy's and I absolutely love them. Again, they have a stretch to them. And I am wearing this look with a white blazer along with a nice satin scarf to give a bit of a polished and finished touch to the look. I also am wearing my door knocker earrings from Ana Luisa. And for this look, I went for kitten heels because they are comfortable. I can wear this look in the daytime, on a Friday for work. So for our next look, I am actually wearing a denim mini skirt from Zara. I got this years and years ago, so I will check to see if I can find something similar online to link for you down below. For this look, I am wearing a nice feminine top, which I absolutely love. This one is also old from H&M, but I will link some similar style tops in the description box for you. And I am wearing my Ana Luisa pearl necklace. So I really love these pearl earrings from Ana Luisa. They have a blue and a white situation going on, which kind of complements the whole blue denim and white top. I really love this. And then for a pop of color, I went for a red bag. I really love to add a pop of color to basic outfits. So for this next look, I am pairing my Levi's rib cage straight leg jeans. I absolutely love these. They are my favorite jeans in my collection. They are so flattering. They make the bum look great, and they just make a petite woman like myself look super tall. Absolutely love these. I wanted to go for a hot girl summer kind of look with this outfit, so I went for a very sexy top. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. I recently got it. You can definitely shop that. I will link it below. And I love the contrast of the light blue color of the jeans with the black top. So I went for black patent leather mules. I feel like it complements the look. And then I went for this asymmetric pair of earrings from Ana Luisa along with a small bag. So for this next look, I am styling this pair of white mom jeans, and these are from H&M. These are weirdly a size 4, and I got these last summer from H&M. I will see if I can find anything similar. Do you see how the sizes vary really at H&M? A 4 and an 8. What's going on? But yeah, that's kind of the sizing there. And for this look, I am going for the mama necklace from Ana Luisa because this is a very comfortable, chill, and laid back. I can see a mom running errands or picking up kids from school and things like that. So I went for loafers to keep it flat and casual and comfortable. And I also went for linen button down, and I threw a cardigan over the neck for a chic point as well as an added layer just in case it gets a little bit cooler. Now if you tie the linen button down at the waist, you get a totally different look. So make sure you use my link for shopping Ana Luisa so you can get 15% off. So for this next look, I'm going for a light wash pair of skinny jeans. Those are also from H&M, and they are also a size 8. So I'm guessing in the mom jeans I'm a size 4, and in the skinny jeans I am a size 8 at H&M. For this look, I'm going for more my style, something a little bit more glamorous. This is definitely what I would wear. I am going for this pink blazer along with a pair of heels. These are kind of a nudish color heel for fairer skinned women, not for me, but because it has a pink undertone, I feel like it works very well with the pink blazer. And then I went for a pink bag. Now to change up this same look for something that is more comfortable and a little bit more casual, you can switch the pumps for a pair of kitten heels like these white Manolo Blahniks that I added to this look. For this next look, we are going again for a comfortable mom inspired look with the mama necklace from Ana Luisa. Make sure you check the link in the description box so you can get 15% off of your purchase from Ana Luisa. I am wearing these black skinny jeans from H&M. I got them last summer, but H&M always make these every year, so you can definitely purchase them now. I will link some in the description box for you. I am pairing that with a basic white camisole and a pop of color with a red blazer. I really love this look. This is something that I would wear actually. And then for casualing it down, we are pairing this one with a pair of classic Adidas sneakers, trainers. I would add a black tote to complete the whole running errands vibe, but I do not have a black tote in my collection, so I am carrying my regular structured black bag, but you can definitely change that for a black tote. Now for this look, we are styling the Ana Luisa necklace. I'm pairing it with an all black look, which I love. It just screams sophisticated, chic, and everything beautiful, everything that I love. So I am wearing my Levi's ribcage denim high-waisted straight legs. I absolutely love these. They make the bum look so good. They just look super duper chic. I am pairing the look with a satin black button down. I love pairing this whole look with a black bag and adding a pop of color with my shoes here. This look is perfect for date night, going out with the girls. These are all of the jeans denim looks that I wanted to share with you. Don't forget to check out the description box for the Ana Luisa pieces and to get 15% off of your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which one of these outfits would you wear this spring and summer, and I will catch you in my next video. Au revoir.